Y'all niggas don't understand what's going on, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all niggas are interested, but then I may. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Let's go. Been going through some things, been pushing get habits and bad ones I cannot resist. Highlight of the month was meeting our grandma and showing her love as a kid.
Yeah.
I've never been stable, my mood's never up, cause it's going down at the crib.
Yeah.
My brother's a barber, he deals with the hair. In the process I'm learning new
go.
tricks. The challenge I face is not easy, I can't be specific until I can fix it. Cause help is so far I can seek it, depend on the Bible and pastor to preach it. I don't have a shoulder to cry on the days are just passing, I say this is weak shit. My daddy be saying he loves me, I get it, but mama just saying it's freak shit. Okay,
Let's go.
I sum that all up is anxiety, locked in the room and the place is untidy.
Yeah.
Was taught I got problems with trust, I don't give it to any human or a diary. Getting too comfort with niggas is not on the list, cause these niggas will try me. I'll give up my talents to people until I just know when the labels will sign me. Shout out to people like J. Cole and Kendrick, you know that them niggas entitled. If versus me, that's Imano. Apparently my DNA is so humble. No remorse in the streets of my dogs. When I give out all my raps, they applaud. Every move that I make is so blessed, cause like every day I send a message to God. Let's go.
Yeah.
It's Dark Unicorn. Love. Love has found my location through you, and this time this love got no deja vu whatsoever. I can't believe I finally found my one after kissing a few frogs. But baby, if you permit, let us have hours until we in the grave, because I'm pretty sure that this thing that bits inside my chest will bit for you till I take my last breath. I'm really grateful we crossed paths, because my inner self has stopped wandering as my feelings have finally found their home. My feelings before were either nomadic or immune, because I really felt the burning furnace of love in my chest after meeting you. Your love has really swept me off my feet and sent me directly to the heavens, because I really be feeling like I'm on cloud 9 right now. I'll love you for eternity, till infinity.
In the midst of everything, there always has to be a start. Sla. We are here now. We're here now. Yeah.
Why not? Yeah. I'll stay where you are in the boat.
My barber. How are you, bro? You good, Gizzy? As always, bro. Hey, we're pushing live, man, pushing live. Yeah, man. Hey, I came to get a haircut. As you can see, my hair is in a bad condition. Wait, too much fingerprints, too much, eh? Too much there. Yeah, me here for cut, my guy. Ah, you know the vibes.
Faking me, you stole from me. The point where you started, cause that's my origin.
What's up, guys? We'll see how this turns out. Woo. Let's go. Yeah. Been rapping 4 years, I'm now a pro. You know that I'm alright for you, even when I'm bored. Tell me, why do people call me suicide? When you telling me love 'em, but they still try dying. You're my nigga, why you acting like a snitch? You gon' take the risk, at the end you'll have a stitch. Everybody saying literacy is pure. Go to grade 11 and be sure. I know I cannot lie to myself, I'm not the greatest. A lot of niggas know where I'm from Eswatini, Naga Matini. Nikule pasi kwa pembe, I am a Swazi, my niggas. Mwaga Mukendi, Machita, now it's all said and done. JP is Kennedy's son, embracing my mother's tongue. Still talking about daddy's sons, ain't given his number 2. But this is the older one, I don't have nothing to prove. Loksala go put blah, rapping 4 years, I'm now a pro. You know that I'm alright for you, even when I'm poor. Tell me, why do people call me suicide? When you telling me love 'em, but they still try dying. You're my nigga, why you acting like a snitch? You gon' take the risk, at the end you'll have a stitch. Everybody saying literacy is pure. Go to grade 11 and be sure. My inspirations bringing a lot of visions, made me think on what I'm missing, showing me the definition of an egotistic. I'm not yet in my prime, even when I reach it, I'll be thinking about a better vision. You want the truth, well come and listen. I'm like the guy you'll never find is searching for some trouble, cause I'm on a mission. The state passes you by, giving you grants, the leaders don't even mind. When everybody be trying, no pressure, we would be fine. Who you gon' be? A stronger person full of confidence like M.I.Lee, like a real type G. J, you might be, never be like Snoop or like B.I.G. Man, I think of who can remake this beat. Maybe J and Leeds under DYV. Man, I cannot wait to get a new ID. Me JP, ain't no nigga that can rap like me. I don't own a music channel, but I MTV. Struck a pose for all the cameras with a smile, I please. Giving greatness with the presence and the air I breathe. And my flow is really sticky, let me add some grease. I never thought I'd see the day when my parents ain't got no money. They're making sure we fed with the bread, and that's more than trying. Most people don't have patience cause now they don't have the timing. I went through all my lyrics one time and I thought of this. Who's the king? Still at the bottom, nigga with dirt on my feet. Give me a pen and give me a beat. Who is the king? Man, I've committed so many crimes with my words. When I just rap, I'm thinking of bars. Who's the king? You cannot break me because I know that I'm broke. When I am angry, I take a pen and make a note. Make your own prize, predict the future, man, I should have known. Listen, people love the ANC and that's just how it goes. That's why all these years it's been like topping all the votes. Same thing that Mandela did before he was a goat. Notice people like Jacob Zuma and Ramaphosa. But silly ladies argue over who's the best in town. Look around, my nigga, the ANC has us now. I'm gonna watch elections in the future, but not now. Was Julius be the leader and I'll be there at the time? I'm just saying. But all good quotes contain true shit. Same as the state of the nation was like a movie. But then these days we train to seek the Lord because we cannot bear the pain. Our scars too deep. Reviewing how the parliament works. We ain't stupid. We're getting grants and clearing them places. We can't lose it. But then these days we change lives by giving more rhymes and paying true facts. Never mind, but who cares? Who's the king?
Well, I've had, as my friend once said, she sighed. Right. One of the ugliest niggas I know, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm the best ever. She sighed. Nigga got shit at me.
Yeah. God said you stole from me. Said us having no way of faking me.
Oh, here it comes. Oh.
Yo, what up, old man? No, man. I'm not from this area. I'm looking for someone. I'm looking for Leeds. You know Leeds? What do you mean, sir? I'm looking for Leeds. Lindelwa? Somewhere there? Come on, man. You know this guy, man.
So do you know where he lives? Oh, I'm sorry. My name is JP, the greatest. Yes. So yes, I'm looking for Lindelwa. I'm looking for Leeds, sir. Are you deaf? Can't you hear what I'm saying to you? Man. What do you want me to say? Okay, what do you want me to say now? What do you want me to say now? You know, now I came over there, now I'm coming here. It's an argument now. Do you see what's happening?
Just
say you don't know the guy and I leave. Man.
In brackets, I don't know the guy, then you leave.
I'm out of here.
Okay.
Asabona lembizo city.
Webonini. Lana sikhathe bana Christmas utawuthi siphathele amaswiti lana.
So ngicikiseni ngingena emkhathesini yini manje?
Kunenjani makamu la nhlobo? Yini mfolo khona makamu naso tenda Duncan. Hayi, sikatshelwa ngawe nawe.
Afro Nation ake.
Hayibo, yini Afro Nation?
Okay, ayikhuleke ngiyavala njalo ngede.
Sawani malume.
Yebo mshana kunjani?
Shema malume. Sengingaba 12 sengilate.
Yebo mshana ngikusita manje shonile nekushona nje nyalo ngijakile
Malume
mshana.
ngithe ngumgogo umlotha ngakhandle.
Kandlela mshana.
Ngabe
Abayi2 mshana. Eish ngabasekhona yini mshana lamakhandlela manje. Atsangijakile mshana.
Bengicela ukuthi ungithengisele neligwayi.
Ini?
Ligwayi.
Angikuva mshana ufuna ini?
Ligwayi.
Ufuna lendalo ligwayi mshana.
Ngithunywa ngumalume.
Uthithe kuthenga ligwayi? Malume wakho akabhemi mshana. Ngimuphi lo malume wakho? Nalo munye lo South Africa naye akabhemi ngimuphi lo malume?
Cha ke ufeyito lebusuku nje asimati nathi simbona umuntu usekangiphuma ligwayi.
Lalela mshana. Nangithengisa ligwayi mfana omncane kangaka. Mncane kakhulu nje wena. Wacala nje ligwayi lifuna abasala balifaka neminyaka yalo nje. Ibhiya bakhona ufaka 18 years. Leligwayi balifaka nganje
Malume angibhemi mina.
Wendani mshana?
Mina bangithumile.
Ngeke ngikuthengisele ligwayi.
Malume ngiyacela.
Nina ma 2000 sesivile. Nonke njena nje wena.
Malume mina ngiyakucelela.
Asongixolele mshana kancane. Nyalo sisakutholela ishinji kalendlela. Nalikhandlela lakho. Akugwayi nje umfana lomntanawe.
Ngabe awufuni naleli gwayi ke malume jikisa konke nalamakhandlela. Ukhona gogonza abantu awuthenga kuyita ngithengisele.
Kahle bo.
Malume ngicela ethele imali yami ngihambe ngiyacela mina.
Lama 2000 vele.
Ngiyancengane nawe.
Hayi, angathi ndathini. Asengihambe sengate.
Good morning.
Kuku unonile.
I'd like to take this opportunity,
Unangithathana liphopho lethunyini.
ladies and gentlemen.
Leli live lemajayima.
A man was telling a story.
Umena wasithela ngemadolo.
I'm here to command.
Lapha nje ngilokha imandi.
Jesus is coming very soon.
Jesu bamkhama ngelijazi wasuku.
Long ago,
Loyo na gogo wakhe.
cats were useful.
Makatanyusa umfuko.
Like she's gone away.
Uchizi wakhona nemaweni.
I'm JP and I'm speaking English.
Speakile isijive ndishini.
Thank you very much.
Ngiyateka nyalo ngamaji.
Caleni ngikubeke kulesithombe lesengiso nami sempilo. Ingani kule mpilo lengiyiphilako nami ngiyafisa ngiyazindla ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngibani lo yangikhipha kuleli golsi lona lesengiqongelekile. Mina ngiyakhala ngiyamemeda kude lofuna kungiva. Kanjani manje? Nangithi ngiyabuka bangitshela ukuthi angihambe ngiyemalibeni lapho ngahlanyela khona abadali bami. Kanjani manje ngoba nalaba labangidala bangishiyile kushothi nami sale ngibalandzela lo mhlaba uyangihlaba make babe lalela lapho emazulwini la ukhona khona ingani ngiyasho ngithi nesalukati sami lapho sikhona khona sitangililisa kodwa kude nabo bayangiqinzetela nalamatshe lengiwaphetha yangisinza mine ngiyatibuta ukuthi kanjani manje ingani noma ngingathiwa ngiyakhala ngiyamemeda nalabo lengibathembile bangibambisa imatshe lelitshe lengilibambile qha liyangisinza lifuna ikubekeka phansi noma ngathi ngiyalibeka qha khona simo bese sibanzima mina bese ngisho nje ukuthi cha inhlupheko ingikhangile ingani phela nalabo lengithi ngiyabamemedela ukuthi sitani maswati kude lofuna kungiva inganabo makhelwane nabo laba bemndeni ngingabashiyi ngaphandle nabo bafuna kungibisela phansi nakulomhlaba ngiyafuna ukuphakama mina kangikhoni netimpiko noma ngathi wasetiyahluma nabo phela bese kuhluma inhlupheko enhlitweni yami bese ngiyakhala nelisizi livela njalo inhlityo yami idzabukile yebo ngiyafisa kubona kodwa cha kumnyama phambili yebo kutse phambili yebo kutse nasemuva ngono sale ngima la sengikhona khona ingana ngisakhoni yebo ngiyakhala ngiyamemeda kude lofuna kungiva noma ngathiwa ngiyafika kamakhelwane nabo bangitshela ukuthi angihambe ngiyokhemandi qala ngibuye ngani ngiyothetha lidzaba lwami ingani nato letindzaba lengikhuluma batangihleka bathi gege ingani nawe uyati ukuthi ngibando wamosha impilo yakho mina ngiyatibuta ukuthi ngabe wacabanga ngani kumosha yami impilo yebo ngikhuluma ngempilo le yami impilo yasemva ekhaya inzima ibucayi yebo ngiyafisa kona kusitakala kodwa kude lofisile kungisita yebo ayibakithi ngisamu the poet Thank you.
Bathi sisiphakathi emanayithini athi bathi fan club kiyo le party sekamulitshe sifudumele phansi manje wishi
Ngoba kulo mhlaba lengiwo ngiyahlabeka ngani nelithemba lami noma ngathi ngibheke ezulwini ngikhuluma naye umdali lo wadala lizulu nemhlaba naye wasuyangidala nanami mina ngiyahluleka ngoba donodamti nzima ngoba ngathi ngiyakhala ngiyabheka kuye ezulwini ngani lalamazulu ayavaleka nemhlaba nawo uyangihlaba uthi unemanyeva langagcini noma ngathi ngiyanyathela mabhodlela yangihlaba mina ngiyabhodla ngiyacela kuye umdali cha kaningi yawusidwa yini ingani noma ngathi ngiyakhuleka ngibheka kuye ezulwini naye uthumela athi ngilozi ukuthi tingitshele ukuthi yena akasena ndzaba ngani lo mhlaba ngosi ngiyasitha Nkosi yami uyasinza Nkosi yami tingingane nginato tiyangisinza noma ngathi ngiyamemeda ngiyakhala ngikhala ngelivile elincane ngidingisa yena Daniela lobeka khala emgodzini wemabhubesi cha kodwa akafuni ukungilekelela ingani kuningi yebo ngishito ngathi kuningi kani kunini la uyangihawukela khona Nkosi noma ngathi sengiyadibuka
uyekile nje lo makhala ungathi awu
Yabona namhla lendlela lelina ngayo kuse ajaniwe sayatshela
ubhuti
takamba njani Mfilo yethu manje manje welani wena
yabanzi hey sis
manje wena upheka ukunjikada wendani wena futhi akajayiva hayi Mlungu ukuwena nyalo Mlungu ngiyeta mnyalo ngiyavala nje nyalo khuleka ndafe nje ngishayile isithombe se-ID lapha namasocks ebhola nje angisagezi ndavele nje nyalo ngite lapho angathi ndakhanza kuphi nyalo nje sengiyavala selishonile nalokushona
kunjani malume
yes kunjani mshana
Ngiyaphila malume ngicela ungiphe stop lapho nama-Rizla light nama-GT light
but ngimhlolo lama 2000 nifundisa ngubani gwani kancane
ngiyacela shemsala wendela
kahle bakhamphaya bakudlala ngathi elikwayile bafuna abasala balifaka umnyaka nalo bona
ngiyacela shem ngiyacela ucela wendela mina ngiyacela
uyathi umhlolo yami na
manje malume uyafuna noma afuna ngale gwala lakho
wena mbani
uyafuna noma afuna uyafuna noma awufuni nangize ngincengele imfo yakho
hayi wena mbani
ngokuthi sesitolo wena awusafuni sofuna avansi sekuphethele wena kulomhlaba
wena mbani
siyacela shem siyacela
basensel bantu
manje uyafuna noma afuna
ufuna kuvala nekho
yataka sisincenge manje yatenyanyisa manje
hey lama 2000 athupha lawo